So here I have a table with region, product, sales, and date. And I want to extract the highest value. I want to get the maximum value or which region had the maximum sales. So I go equal to max. I get my max, that's the maximum value. And then I simply highlight the table. I highlight it this way and I click my enter and it gives me the maximum value. But supposing I'm working with, I want to get the entire row of it. This can be many data and I don't want to get just the maximum value. I want to get the entire row containing the value. I can go with this formula equal to, I use the index and the match formula, indexing and the matching. So we have index, we'll go to the formula bar there and edit. What am I indexing? I want to get the index of the entire table. So I highlight the table this way. So when I index, which means I want to index but from the table, so I go ahead and match. So when I click on this match, what am I matching? I'm trying to get the maximum value. Either I write the 300, but supposing I don't know the maximum value, I can go ahead and put my 300 there. That's the lookup value. But assuming I don't know it, so I can just type my maximum value of this sales. So I highlight the sales because I'm finding the maximum value of the sales. So I now close the bracket. When I close the bracket, you can see from the match function, they are giving you what to put in this. I have the lookup value, which is the maximum value, the lookup array. The lookup array, of course, is the array that this sales. That's still where I'm looking up to, okay? And then, comma, you have, do you want the exact match or you want greater than or less than? We want the exact. So I'm choosing my 0, okay? So after that, I close up the bracket. Since I'm trying to find the index and match of the entire table, I will now add my own 0 here also. If it's just a normal match that is not dealing with the entire table, you don't need to add this 0 again. So, and that is it. You click my enter and you can see that it has given me the entire row of the maximum value. And that is how to find this.